So this is how we take care of our toilet waste in our RV here at Rosebud, and I've just modeled that up. What we have, as you can see, and I've modeled it in Roblox Studio, is we have a Solar Cities IBC tank, and the outflow pipe goes through, a perf pipe goes through a HugelKultur made of logs and branches upon which flower bushes are planted. And we take that and we drop it down so that it is next to the RV, low enough so that the pipe coming from the RV by gravity feeds the tank, the toilet waste and shower water, the gray water and the black water, and then it flows in, and instead of using a leach field, the logs and branches and mulch just decay into soil. And that's what protects the groundwater, and it's much more efficient than using a leach field, and you get biogas out of it. So it's underground like that, but it is a bit cold. So the next one we do, we're going to insulate. I put some PEX heating coils in it. So that's how we're doing it here at Rosebud. And you can download this model that I've created. We have it on Roblox, so you can look for that. Okay.
You took the bus?